So within the Navigate page, if we click on the Find button, depending if we have any search criteria filled in, results are displayed. Now let's have a look at what happens when you click on the Find button or action. If I go to my page and let me skip the layout and go directly to the actions, we notice that there are a number of different actions available. And one of those actions is the Find action. That's the action that you click when you click on the Find button. When you do that, you will notice that a certain function will be executed, the find push function. And if I go to that find push function, then that find push function will first try to figure out which search criteria have been filled in. So imagine that I have entered document number filter and or a posting number or a posting date filter, and then the function will execute the find records function. And if I go to the find records function, that's where the actual finding of the records takes place. We are working on our document entry table, which is a temp table, and what you notice is that first we clear the temp table and we will execute the find. And the system will do that by first looking using the read permission function in the sales invoice header table, filtering that table using the document number and posting date provided by the user. If they are empty, then of course there is a no filtering on it. And directly into our document entry table, we insert the results, which will be the name of the table and the number of records found. And you can find this in if then else or if else or if statements for every table in which we need to search. You notice that there is a lot of code in here. So in every table that we would like to look in, you will find this code. Let me scroll down to the bottom, so that there are many tables, as you can see in here, that the find records function is looking in. So find records will apply filters on our variable, perform the find, and then insert the data into the document entry by calling the function insert into doc entry. If you have a closer look to that function insert into document entry, and then the table ID, the document type, table name, and number of records are inserted into our temp table, which is the table that's displayed in our repeater. Important to mention is, of course, also that if you would like to customize the functionality of what happens when you click on Find, you will need to do that by events. So at the end of the Find Push function, you will find the publisher on After Navigate Find Records with the rec document number filter and posting date filter. You can subscribe to this function. It's an event publisher. You can subscribe to that and attach your own code here if you would like the Find function to also look in other tables you might have maybe added in your extension.